Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to use voice control for ChatGPT. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Now search for chat.openai.com. You will be directed to the Shannon page of ChatGPT. Now click on Login. Type in the credentials associated with your ChatGPT account and log into your ChatGPT account. After you log in, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you cannot find any voice control tools. Now how to add it? For that, open a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store. Now click on this website option, Chrome Web Store. At the top left corner, you can find this option of search the store. Type in over there voice control for ChatGPT. After you search for it, different extensions will appear. You have to select this one, voice control for ChatGPT. Just click on it. Now click on this option of add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Now it's in the process to be installed and added to the Chrome. And after it is added to the Chrome, you can go to the old tab where you were logged into your ChatGPT account. Now click on this icon to refresh the ChatGPT page. After you refresh the page, now over here you can find this my kind of icon. Now by clicking on it, you can just ask question to the ChatGPT. Here I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write essay on largest country.
Title: Russia. The vastness and richness of the largest country. Introduction, covering a staggering area of...
Now you don't have to read the text yourself, you can just hear it. ChatGPT is gonna read out for you. Now over here you can find this blue icon, click on it. From here you can customize the settings for the voice control for ChatGPT. You can increase or decrease the sound level. Likewise, you can select the voice preference. Also, you can customize display settings. So this is how you can use voice control for ChatGPT. This was all for this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.